Welcome back to the Fat and Furious. You know the slogan, I can't run fast, so I gotta run fast. I repeat, the slogan is, I can't run fast, so I gotta drive fast. I just finished washing up Beyonce, my DC5 Type S. Got a little bit of mods to it. I'll explain it to you in the next video, but this is her. Look at this shit looking nice. Clean the rims real good. Ooh. Look at that glow. But yeah, I just want to show you that I washed my car. You know, getting ready for homecoming. Look at that. So yeah, so can you please leave some comments down below and telling me, do you like my car or not? If so, what you do like about it and what you don't. You know, I'm here to take criticism. So, and please like the video and share if you like it. Appreciate it, brother. Peace. Damn.
Metal shapes.
I'll just 6:30. Yeah, so my boy took off the fucking what's this shit called, the fucking exhaust muffler tip, whatever the shit is, and this shit sound crazy. Like, I didn't know this was 3 inches, but he took it off though. Well, it looks like a 2.5. I don't know. He said 3 inches, but I'm gonna go what he says. It's 3 inches, and this shit sound crazy. This is 2 inches then, I'm guessing.
No, I think, yeah, probably.
Yeah, so this shit sound crazy. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Hold this. I'm not gonna do it loud. I'm just gonna let him. No, it screen went black, that's all. But yeah, man, so that's how that shit sounds. This shit sounds crazy. It sounds ridiculous. I should have did a video, a before and after video, but I didn't do it. Dummy me. But yeah, man, so about to get ready, go to this meet. You know, I got the lights on, the bitch is gonna be there hopefully. You know, this is my boy Raul. This man right here, Leave a comment if you need your lights done. If you live in Marietta, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Roswell, this is the man right here. This is the man. You know what I'm saying? He charged $500 an hour. You know what I'm saying? So it's $500 an hour. He do quality work. And then he's a fucking chef. So you get fed, your car worked on, all for $500 an hour. It's an easy price, man. $500 an hour. Easy price. But thanks for watching the Fast and Furious. I will see you in the next video.